In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create a company page on LinkedIn. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you are logged into your LinkedIn account. Then go ahead and go to the top menu and press on this option that says for business. And then all you want to do is you want to scroll down and press on this option that says create a company page. Then go ahead and select whichever one works for you. So it could either be a company, a small, medium, or large, a showcase page, or a educational institution. So let's go ahead and press on company like so. And then now all you want to do is you want to go ahead and add the name of your company or organization. So let's go ahead and just include the name really quickly. Then you guys could actually customize the link to your company page, which is honestly pretty cool, but I'm just going to leave it like this. Then you guys can go ahead and enter in the website and then in the industry. So for example, we can go ahead and just call this, for example, like technology, like so, and then organization size. You guys can go ahead and select on that, and organization type, you can go ahead and just select on whichever one actually is best suited for your needs. And you guys also have the option to include a logo as well, and also a tagline briefly explaining what your company does. And then once you have everything correctly, go ahead and press on this box that says I verify that I'm an authorized representative, yap yap yap. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and press on this button that says create page. And there you go. Just like that, we were actually able to make a company page on LinkedIn, and you guys could basically just customize it to whatever you want, provide updates for your business and stuff like that. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.